Hello everyone! Today I am going to draw a picture of a cattle. This is the lid of the cattle. Here is the body. It has water inside. I'm making fear. Let's make it orange. This is a lemon slice. I'll make the handle. Wow, this is beautiful. This is the toaster. There are two bread slices in the toaster. Hurry up, this is very easy drawing. Let's draw with me. It's too much fun. Are you enjoying the drawing? Good. It's very exciting. These are the stands. Let's draw the buttons. Let's add some magical colors in it. It will look more beautiful. Green. Orange. Yellow. Blue color. Blue is looking very attractive. I like this color very much. Which color is yours favorite? Do tell me. Pink. Brown. Orange. Purple. Red. Blue. yellow color. I'm using yellow again. Our jug and toaster are looking very colorful. It's amazing. Wow!